Got me falling right back.
Hey guys, how's everybody doing? Today's video we're going to go ahead and continue doing the body work. And I went yesterday or day before yesterday and started buying the stuff that I would need to, to get what little bit of body work that the Blazer needs done. So let me show you what I'm about. Alrighty, so here's everything that I've bought. I went ahead and bought these bolts. Those are for the rock slider things that go on the side. So that's a whole different video. But I just wanted to show you guys that I do have the bolts. These are 6-inch bolts. I had to buy 6-inch bolts. I got 8 of them. And then I also got, I think these are 1.5-inch bolts. So they didn't have grade 8 bolts. These are like 5 or 6, I think, something like that. I'm not sure. And then I got sandpaper. I got 400 to 600 grit, 180 and 320, 80 grit, 120, 400 and 1500 grit. I went ahead and bought me some more spreaders. Then I got me some Bondo glass, can of primer. This is plastic emblem and trim adhesive. So I figured I'd use this to put the trim back on the side once I'm done. Then I got some glazing putty. Then I got a big thing of Bondo filler. That's just some old acetone that I had, about a half a jug. And then I got some paper. So that's everything that I got. I haven't really done any more work on this since the last video. Which really, there's really not a whole lot left to do. I gotta trim this back here, grind it down, weld a few more spots. I still gotta weld the bottom. Then should be ready to rock and roll with some Bondo and stuff. And then I'm gonna move up to this spot, and then probably hit any spots that are down here, and then I'll move to the driver's side and get that side done. It's pretty windy today, so I'm going to try to get some work done on the Blazer, but I'm not really going to be recording all that much because, like I said, it's really windy right now. From what I know is we've got a storm moving in here in a couple hours, so I'm going to try to get some stuff done, and I'll try to record what I can. So just bear with me, guys. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to try to weld the bottom part of the, down below on the bottom part there. I've got to weld this bottom piece on. So, and then I'll try to fix up some of these holes. So if it starts getting really windy, then I'll probably shut the camera off and then show you afterwards. But let's get to it. I hate welding with one of them freaking flux core welders. It looks like shit, but it's gonna hold. So now I'm gonna let that dry, or let that cool down some, and then clean it up, and then I'll hit it with the grinder. Alrighty guys, so I've already cleaned the area with acetone. So now I'm just going to put some of the Bondo glass on it. Start spreading that on it, start, getting everything smoothed out, looking good. I've actually never used this Bondo glass. I've always used either fiberglass or just Bondo. So I'm not 100% sure on how to use this stuff. I mean, as far as I know of, it should just be just like Bondo. That should be good. Alright, now to let that dry. Let that dry and then scuff it up, sand it down, maybe apply another coat. Alrighty guys, so as you've seen, I got the Bondo glass spread on there. I'm not done with it. I still gotta, sand it down and then start putting the Bondo on it and all that stuff. So what we're gonna be doing today is we're gonna be trying to finish this up. This one spot anyway. Alright, so what we're gonna be doing is I've already put one coat of the Bondo, Bondo glass on there. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to try to go ahead and get that sanded down and see where I'm at, see where I need to put more or whatever. And then if I need to put another coat of Bondo glass, then I'll put it on there. If not, then I'll put a small layer of Bondo. And then we'll sand that down, and then we'll put the glazing putty and all that stuff on there. So, alrighty guys, so I'm set up. I've got my sander ready to go. I'm not going to talk. I'm just going to get to it, try to get this thing done. So just sit back and enjoy. I'm going to move the camera. That way you guys can actually see. Oh, good God, guys, it's hot. Okay, so as you can see, it definitely needs a lot more work. There's a big line right here that's sunk in, so I'm gonna have to put another coat. And I gotta fix this. I gotta build this up here too, right here. So I'm gonna clean this up and slap another coat on it. Alrighty guys, so I got the second coat on it. I built it up a little bit more here in this area here because it was sunk down a little more. And then I got this big line that was right here. I got it filled up in some more too. So I'll let this dry for a few, and then I'll bring you guys back once it's dry, and we'll get the sanding on it. Alrighty guys, so it's been about 10 minutes. This has dried. It's dry. So I'm going to go ahead and hit it again and see where we're at then. Alright guys, so it's starting to take shape. I still got a little bit more sanding to do on the fiberglass. I need to get this part right here fixed. It's still needs a little bit knocked down right here in this area. So once I get that done and all that, and then I'll start, spreading a thin coat of Bondo on there, and then we'll go from there. So I know this is boring, guys, so I'm not going to make you suffer through all of this. So alrighty guys, I just wanted to let you guys know before I start this video that I am not a professional body person. What I'm doing here is just for me. This is for my use only. I'm just doing this as to show you guys how I'm doing it. It might turn out like crap, so be it. If it turns out good, so be it. I just want to let you guys know, if you see me doing something wrong, I am not a professional at this. So I just want to let you guys know that yes, it might turn out like crap, but hey, it's better than the hole that was there. So I just want to let you guys know that I'm not a professional, so don't be judging me or my work as that I'm a professional. So here it is. I've got the fiberglass kind of done. I still got to do a little bit more work right here in this area. But for the most part, the fiberglass is done. I'm going to put a skim coat of Bondo on it, just to smooth in the holes that the Bondo or the fiberglass left, and then I'll sand that down and all that. But all that's going to be in the next video, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, like it, all that good stuff. If you're new here, subscribe. Go back and start watching the videos from the beginning, from part 1. This is part 4. So go back to part 1 and start watching it forward. And hopefully we can get this done here soon, because I still want to move on to the other spots. And I'll probably not video those as much, but I'll show you guys clips from them. So alright guys, I appreciate you watching.